India, petrol prices have already hit a century across major cities today. The government says because of the Ukraine war, so if we get a breakthrough, will prices go down?
Petrol prices in all four metros over 100 rupees a litre as fuel prices went up for the 7th time in 8 days, resulting in the steepest hike since the start of the pandemic with today's increase.
सरकार सीधी सी बात है लूट रही है, इसमें और कोई दो राय नहीं है।
10,000-12,000 रुपए कमाने वाला अगर मान लो 100-150 रुपए का पेट्रोल डेली फूंक जाएगा तो बचेगा क्या?
जेब पे बहुत ज़्यादा असर पड़ रहा है। जेब पे बहुत ज़्यादा सैलरियाँ वहीं की वहीं है, सैलरियाँ बढ़ नहीं रही हैं।
The hikes follow the growing uncertainty about the Ukraine war and sanctions against Russia, which have led to a greater volatility in international crude markets. Brent crude oil prices rose above $110 per barrel during trading today.
We are also facing the situation of a full-blown war in Ukraine, which is not some war in some corner of the world, but it is seemed to be having impact on all countries. But this impact is disruption to very many supplies. The value chains are all broken.
The frequent rise in petrol and diesel prices has raised the spectre of high inflation, and the common man is fearing a rise in prices of essential items. There are demands to cut the high taxes and duties on petrol and diesel. As per the latest report released by Indian Oil, the retail price of petrol in Delhi was 95.41 rupees per litre on 16th of March. The share of excise duty in the retail price of petrol was 27.9 rupees per litre, and VAT accounted for 15.5 rupees per litre. So the total share of central excise and Delhi government's VAT was 43.4 rupees per litre, that is 45.48%.
As our input cost increases, the cost of the freight charges will increase in the coming days, affecting the prices of the essential, non-essential commodities.
भी व्यवस्था बिगड़ गई है, लेकिन सरकार को इसकी कोई परवाह नहीं है, क्योंकि एक बार इलेक्शन वो जीतने के बाद लगातार हर दिन को वो बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं।
The Ukraine war and the consequent increase in the crude oil prices is beginning to hurt India's oil economy. With the oil import bill going up, the increase in the price of diesel is all set to push inflation rate further up in the country. In Delhi with Ashwini Mehra, Himanshu Shekhar for NDTV.